people was really good. Guess who's back? I'm back. As soon as back, and that I mean, how you been? How you doing? I hope everything is good with you. People thought that I was dead, but I wasn't. So I'm here now. I have this 2008 Mercedes-Benz S550. Problem: the starter doesn't work. So I'm gonna have to replace it. Okay, and I want to show you how to do it like so let me give you the symptoms. All right, let me tell you what happened to me. Okay, I walk in the car, tried to start the car. I didn't even hear the click. You know, usually the starter give you a click sound, right? I didn't hear it. Then I went down there, it started with a hammer. Then I tried to start it again. I hear the click sound. So I said, "Oh, okay, all right." I saw the lights. Oh, I have power. Okay, that's good. But the starter was ruined. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the starter. All right. I want to give shout outs to everybody in the building, from the Philippines to Taiwan, Japan, Germany, Italy, Spain, French, all Peru, Brazil, Colombia, all that. All right. I'm not gonna mention every single one though. But if I don't mention your country code, you're right here. All right. You're right here. Don't take it like that. All right. Don't get it twisted. Shout outs to the haters too. I love you. Psych. Pause. What else? Yeah, you want to support the channel? Go click on that subscribe button. Like, share, comment. Anything you want to say, though, put it in the comment box, all right? Anything you have in mind. You want to insult? Oh, keep it a hana. Keep it a hana. Don't be like that guy, all right? At least you can be sarcastic, though. It's not like it's gonna hurt my feelings. It's just that, you know, YouTube, this and that. You know what I'm saying? So whatever you need to say, just put it in the comment box. Other than that, I was gonna say, oh, you want to support the channel? Down here, there's the super thanks. Click on that, go through it, show your love. Know what I'm saying? Show your appreciation for the channel, all right? And like, share, comment, all that. What else? Oh, that's pretty much it. Yeah. Try to use the super chat every time I put a new video up. Okay, try to do that. All right. And I don't want to hold you up though, but I'm just gonna leave it right here. Let's get into this starter replacement. Okay, and let's get it. All right, big dog gotta do the job now. Okay, let's get it. Come with me. I'll show you how to do it like a pro. All right. Come on. Oh, I forgot to tell you. If you have a Mercedes-Benz between 2007 and 2009, that's the 5th generation, okay? But from 2010 and 2013 is the 5th generation with facelift, all right? So it's between 2007 and 2013 in other words, okay? So if you have a car between the Mercedes-Benz S550 between those years, 2007 2013, this video is for you. Alright, so come, I'll show you how to do it. Let's go. Waka waka. Before you start working on the starter, I'm saying you gotta disconnect these two. One go over here, the other one go over here. Alright. See a color? This one's red, this one's blue. This is the power. This is the ground. Right. This guy too. Don't pay him mind though. He's a little cuckoo though. But yeah. Now we tie all this. Start the car. You have to remove the covers. There's one covered over there. Another covered over there. That's the front one. That's the rear one. It's 8mm, okay. And over there, that's the starter, okay. Of course, you gotta disconnect the battery power or the power, okay. You also gotta remove the brackets that hold the sway bar, stabilizer bar. Okay, that's gonna be E14 for these bolts. This side, that side. This is the E14. And now in here it's gonna be really tight. Sway bar is gonna be like this. Now you can remove all the starter from here. You have more space now. Let me pull out the starter so I can tell you what part you gotta do first and all that though. But for now, since the starter is over there, let me there's a bolt over here. Okay, you're gonna have to use extension with the E14. There's another one over there. Hopefully you can see it. Maybe not, it's kind of blurry. Sorry. You can see it from here, man. Right there. That one right there. Okay, you have to use extension. That's what I'm doing. 2 extensions with the E14, and a ratchet. Remove those 2 bolts, which are the same size, okay, the same length. Alright. And then remove this, the starter. Here it is, baby. Just gotta wiggle it around. Right, it's gonna come out through here. That's why you lose the stabilizer bar. Okay, and here it is. Right, now to lose this one right here, which is 13 or 12. This is 10 millimeter. Talking about the nuts, okay. This is a small one, it's going to be 10 millimeter. This is 13. I'm telling you what I use, okay? What I use. 2 bolts. Okay, right there. For those bolts, you're going to use the E14. Alright, look like that. Let me show you the bolts. They the same length, by the way. Alright, so I got the new one. Okay. I'm gonna take this one. Okay. This one too. Alright, right, so this is the new part. Okay. Made by Bosch. This part number 788-27929 or the SR08278. Premium quality, alright. This is a Rimac. Now it comes with this 13 or 12. It goes there, and a 10. Okay, it goes here. Alright, so we're just gonna put it back. Same way you pull it out, same way you put it in. Alright, through there. Alright, once you install everything, put the bracket back, put the stabilizer bar back. I'm saying, start it over there, put everything back. This one, I remove it. Just because. But I don't think you need to remove this though. I did it. Alright. Put everything back. You know what I'm saying? I put the cables when first I installed the starter, okay? I tied everything and then I put the cables back to the starter, okay? It's easier. I start doing the big cable and then the small one. Then I put this back, okay? The bar, stabilizer bar. Alright. Now I'm gonna put the cover back. Okay, and then start the baby. Before you start working on the starter, I'm saying you gotta disconnect these two. One go over here, the other one go over here. Alright. See a color? This one's red, this one's blue. This is the power. This is the ground. This guy too. Don't pay him mind though. He's a little cuckoo though. But yeah. Now we tie all this. Start the car. Come in here. Start the S550. Boom. And this one has 52,000 miles, alright? 52,466 miles to be exact. It works. Okay. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. You know what to do with the subscribe button. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Alright, I'm gonna leave it right here. Shout outs to everybody in the building. Shout outs to the subscribers, everybody that support the channel. I'm back, baby. I'll be going for a minute though, but now I'm back. Alright, I'm gonna leave it right here. That's pretty much it. Oh, shout outs to the haters too. I love you too. Psych. Get your membership since you down there by the subscribe button. You want to support the channel. Also, down here there's super thanks. It looks like a heart. Click on that, go through it, show your love. Okay, pretty much. And holla at your boy. I'm clocking out.